Yep, there it is. Now it's recording.
Yeah?
Now you need a good feel. Does it feel good? Good enough?
I think so.
So yeah, you move around. Is it good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. He got his body cam on.
Let's go.
Nuh-uh. For real? Yeah. Is that like fisheye or something?
I don't know.
No, it's
I didn't know you had this. You should.
kick off. Okay.
Why don't you wear it, Ollie?
Yeah, that
when we play.
I mean,
That's so sick, man.
it's your last game.
Make sure somebody has it who's on the pitch.
What'd you say?
Make sure somebody who's on the pitch has it, so you're just not sitting.
Oh yeah, that's true.
What is that? You got cut?
Body cam, yeah.
Should have the body cam.
Yeah, you want it?
Oh yeah, Ali, come on, get us all. Get 5, 6 body.
I'm gonna be moving around the least.
Editor said me and you were out.
We have point of views from everybody.
Wow.
You have time. Hey, Sajad, let's go.
My body cam's on the crotch.
Oh yeah.
You can see it.
Bro, this thing is like.
Does it feel good?
No, it doesn't feel good. You wear it, man.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, you wear it, bro.
Already? You know?
Yes.
Okay. Where's Sammy at? Because he said he wants to wear it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro. Sammy, bro. I knew it. He said you wear it. He said he doesn't want to.
What are you talking about?
Is it recording? Yeah.
I am on the
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, you did.
You're not starting, right?
No.
You want to wear it?
When I'm in the game, man.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, he's here? Perfect.
Go ahead. I'm going to sit over here.
All right, man.
Let's go. سجاد أحسن مني. It's so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to? Nobody's using it right now. You want an assistant manager cam? Fuck it.
Maybe. I feel like that'd be kind of boring, but.
Hey.
It's still in. It's still in.
Right there.
Yeah, out
Not bleeding.
Yeah,
You good? Yeah.
You're good. I was like, wait, the ball's still in.
Shit. Different views.
Right back if you need.
Yeah, I'll just wear it. Screw it. Come on, Isaac. Come on already. Aye. Hey, Sammy, I got it on, bro. I'm wearing it. But if you want to wear it, let me know. If you want to like switch for me, be a cameraman, you wear this, let me know. Yeah, I got you, and I'll take that. Yeah, right now it is. 2 views, perfect. What's up?
Is it 2 times better than once? Because like, it zooms all the way out.
1 is good.
What about this, bro? So you can capture
Yeah,
everything.
just do this when they're like getting close to the goal. Just do that. Got it? Yeah. Or just click. It's good. This is like a backup cam if you don't got everything. Look at the manager. He's coming. Just to observe us. Go watch. Oh shit. Okay, Rashid. Yeah, this does not feel loose at all. It's good. Doesn't feel shaky. Doesn't feel loose. Not gonna fall. Look at him. Sajad. Hello, Rashid. Oh yeah! Come on! Come on! Thank you for your support.
Come on, go to FC.
Once I step on the field.
Yeah.
The alarm effect.
Yeah. It's a cold fit, man.
Thank you. Because it's hot, I have to stay cool.
Oh! Good. Ah, it's okay. Nice.
Turn green.
Come on, Sajad. Aye. You guys are like the Bellingham brothers. Or the Turan brothers. Yeah, it is. It's on.
Where are you recording at?
When Sammy wants to get in, we'll just switch.
Oh, he's recording?
Yeah.
Hey, so you guys care.
He wants a body cam view.
I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna get around. You hear me? So Carlos be vocal.
Already giving him tips.
It'll help. That's how Ares got that. Right?
You're like our second assistant manager at this point. Come on, guys. 1-0. It's not hard.
I know, see? It's a touch.
Whee!
Oh.
Aye.
Hit low, he ain't going.
Aye.
Don't give it back to the shot. Pass it.
Aye. Let's go.
All right, here we go. Ooh, I really want to get in now.
Subs? Anybody?
Fuck somebody up.
Doesn't look like it yet.
Not a red card. I just want to get out there. Get out there. That's all I'm saying.
He plays like Luis Figo.
Yes. For sure. Aye. It's okay.
30 push-ups.
Dad can do better. Come on.
He knows where my car is.
I'll give him these. Because the other ones are new. I'll have to play these.
Aye. Woo! Beautiful.
2-0. Yeah.
Nice.
Hat-trick! Hat-trick!
Good stuff.
One more receipt.
Hat-trick.
Ali, go. Sammy needs
He
you.
wants you to get the camera, Sammy.
All right.
So you gotta finish those, bro.
Started that shit, bro.
Hey, appreciate it, Sammy. Sammy. Oh, good, Carlos. I just gotta shift my body to record. What's up?
Trying to go in, but I ain't gonna lie,
Woo! Sammy, you want this? Right now? Yeah, hold on. Hold this. Hold it. Good stuff. Oh yeah, just put this. You know how to do it.
Yeah. Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording. If it's flashing blue slowly, that means it's recording. They'll put it under.
Just wear the new one. Hey. Is it flashing?
Just wear the new one.
Yeah.
But you don't.
What?
What? Yeah, is that a mic?
No, it's a camera, bro.
Oh, you finna get. Oh, that's crazy. Where do you get that? Why you giving the worst player the mic, bro?
Nigga, you missed 2 wide open shots. I don't want to. Yes, you did. No, bro. You had other shots, bro. You ain't just take. Moma, what's going on, bro? What happened to your other cleats?
Bro, I left him at the field, bro.
What time you playing?
That's it. And then I'll do the last one for
You asked him?
I know you were playing.
What you mean? What the hell?
I thought you were still injured.
Yo, if Sajad gives me those, I can give you those.
Bro,
And then when
I'm
I
not
saw-
giving you my cleats, bro. You already
Okay,
got some
then.
cleats, bro.
Alright, then. Moma not playing then, bro.
Big on you?
Huh?
Oh my God, look at him.
That's why I said, let me get him, let me play, so Moma can play too, since you already played. If you're not gonna give it to me, Moma gonna sit his ass right here, bro. Huh? From who?
Sammy.
What cleats you got?
Are you wide footed?
Sammy's going in next?
No, just find like a smaller size, bro.
You're going to go in for Isaac.
I bet.
If you find a smaller size, I'll give it to you. These are a 10. Yeah. Yeah, let me use them, bro. Look, if he gives me those, I can give you those. You can sub in right away.
Y'all got like the same feet, bro.
JP!
Very close.
60 push-ups.
He has to stay away.
3-0 in like 10 minutes.
So Momau can play.
Momau can play. You got to lead.
Well, where is it at?
You gave me some right now.
Oh, actually?
That is true.
Defense looked down a lot. I didn't know that.
But I'm trying to let Momau play, bro. What the hell you mean? If I gave him these,
Well, you
what am I gonna play with?
Long,
Huh?
long pants on?
No, no.
Oh, shit. Oh, you got shorts?
Watch him, JP. Watch him, JP.
Bro, that shit not going anywhere, bro.
Get to him, JP.
Handball, handball.
It's too easy.
Send him, send it, send it. You got your uncle.
His dad.
That's right. It's your uncle. Corner, corner. Where's Raimundo?
Who's recording you, bro?
I think it's gonna fall off. What is it? Is it a magnet? Oh, it's a. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it doesn't slip it. Yeah, I mean, Ali got it.
He's about to get a lot of highlights.
Isaac.
Ow!
Give it to Rashid, bro.
Huh?
Give it to Rashid.
He didn't want it.
Hey, take it. Rashid needs a sub, so next time the ball goes, take it.
Bro, let me get it, bro. Come on, these about big as hell. Look like Ronald McDonald's, bro. Come on, bro. Just try it. See if
No,
it.
I'm not trying those. You must be crazy, bro.
Just try it. See if it's like good on you, bro. If it's not, I'll take them back.
Nah, they're not gonna be good, bro.
Hey, bro, give me the other cleat, bro. Wallah. Come on, bro.
Right there, right
They're not
there.
good, Wallah?
Get to it, JP. Get to it.
Hey, ask Raimundo what size those are, bro. The cleats. Is it still 10 and a half? 10 and a half? 10. Okay, let me get those. You get these.
Control the team.
Oh my God, these huge ass cleats, bro.
Watch him coming on.
Yeah, I got 'em. Ref, come on, man. It's been so long. You watch him, Eric? Carlos. Hey, sorry. I'm a. Oh, yeah. First. Give me that. Good pass, Ferris. Slow down.
Fun, Brandon.
Touch, man, on.
Switching. Oh, fun. What? Turn left, turn left.
I got that, Eric. I got that. Control it. Eric. First. Ah, good shot, good shot. Ah.
Yours.
Oh, my fault, Eric. Eric, first. First. Good job behind you. Don't even be talking, you must have wide open too, bro. Ah. I need this, bro. I need this footage, bro. Yeah.
Keep it on there.
JP. Ali. That's two. Man, bro.
Press up a little. Press up a little. Yeah, good Ollie. Press up. Yeah.
Just break down, Ali.
Yeah, good press, Ollie. Good press, Ollie. Yeah.
Good job, Patrick.
Thank you. Watch short here.
Ali. Raimundo. Leave. Ah. Appreciate it, bro. Here's the job.
Put on your shirt. Flip it.
Green.
What's the score?
6.
6. Is there mercy or no? Okay. I cannot score this shit in my life. Hey, Ali, do you have any other balls or is it just? Yeah, we should just have 2 balls. Poor dude keeps chasing it, bro. Good press, Ali. Good press. Keep going. Keep going. Good, Ali. Here's home. Hold Ali. Yeah, Ali. Ali. I like it. Good. Oh my fuck, bro. Very good. Good job, Ali. She too cold, bro. This is a hater, bro. Good shit, Rasheed. Good price. Don't get to. Yes, I'm. Good price, Ali.
Yeah, I got it.
How are we missing those? No, play. Yo, Raimundo. What are you playing? No, defense. You're playing defense. You gotta help. No, but I know we're winning, but you can't get out of your position and run everywhere. That's your main position. Just get back.
Oh, come on, you got to school. You got it.
Oh, Raymundo, you had 2 goals, but you should have had 2 goals by now.
Good stuff.
Good stuff, I guess, bro.
Good shot, Ollie.
Oh, you was right there?
Yeah, he's been
You should have made a better pass, bro.
Good stuff, 7-0. Keep it going. Hey, let's end this 15-0. Come on, guys.
I want him had 3 roars. I want double digits.
Hey, let's get to 10 at least.
Hey, you played different when you got that on, right?
Hey,
I didn't even shoot, I just passed.
Tell us for a second what we should do. Keep pressing.
Man, hell no, you the coach, you the coach.
Listen. Guys,
Send a message to the rest of the league once playoff starts. We'll stop it. Let's go. 10 more. Let's keep going. You're playing great. Let's just keep going. Don't need to take the foot off the gas. Let's just keep playing hard. Let's score more. Send a message to the rest of the league once playoff starts. You think KFC can do this shit? You think KFC can score 10 goals? No! Y'all can. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Let's go. I like that.
I like that.
Let's go.
All right. So, you want to step out for a second?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jim and Hatcher.
Warm out. Put you in the middle. You're going to be on top. Yeah, look at you go. Let's starting defense. You're going to play up top? Up top?
Still got more.
Here, write this one. No, you where? It's camera.
Oh, the
No, you put the camera on. Put it under your shirt.
Under my shirt?
Yeah.
Which way? This way. Like that.
This way? Under. Does it go through under?
Yeah.
Like division?
Look, it's a magnet.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Let's go. It might fall off though.
Let me see.
No.
No,
It fell off with you.
no, only one.
Oh,
That's when the defender.
Let's go.
Overall, I know that
Nah, we'll stay the same side.
Same side? Yeah, keep. Oh. Hey, let's move the ball around. Yeah. Keep. Hadi. Green. They want me to put a camera.
Oh my
I'm too slow for the camera. Too.
Oh my goodness. You gonna end up on YouTube?
Too, I know.
Hey, if I see this on TikTok later.
I'm in slow motion.
If it's on TikTok later, I'm begging.
That's the slow motion.
My
bad, man. I didn't mean to take you down earlier.
Oh, you're good. No worries. I'm 61 years old. It's good. I'm still walking.
I see you out here getting it, boy.
All right. Sorry.
Give me a Right here. Right here.
I need it.
I was vlogging.
I can't play with all this.
Defense POV.
Right here. Mid. Middle. Isaac. Come on.
Jay up.
Right here.
Center.
Middle. Come on. Right here.
All the time. Go up. All the time. I'm not mad at it. Behind you.
Isaac. Good ball.
Shot, Eric.
Done. Good shot.
Ball over there.
I didn't realize it, guys.
Sorry, buddy.
Get it.
Second two.
Behind you.
Right behind you. Stay. Watch the top.
Good ball, Haji, good ball. علي You should have left the Ferris. Nah, you good. Hey, can we switch balls, ref? First.
You got time. Turn.
Should have scored that.
That's all right. I think y'all are winning.
Alright. Mama! Oi! Can we get that ball? You guys mind? This one. First. I should have shot that. Mama! Ferris, keep going with these. Leave it, JP. Or not. Ay! Good luck, Raimundo.
That was terrible.
Well, no, I saw you leave.
It's my fault.
There you go.
Mama! First! First.
Nice girls. John. Yeah, I'm with you.
Sajat. Ref, what's the time? And what's the score, if you don't mind me asking? Out. Who do I give this to?
No mercy, although we're not letting them one go.
Got you, bro. You got a head trick, right?
Come on, Adi, shoot! Oh! No, I got two.
Bro?
We got let the ref know. Go tell the ref.
I need one
The
more.
ref needs to know we're switching stuff.
Hey. Good job, bro.
Hey, Carlos, where would you play? Where would you play though?
Hey, the ref's running off. Do it now. Do it now.
You gotta go tell
Anybody that needs to go on our team can do them in, bro.
Yeah,
This is the chance to get any goals. Oh yeah, Ali keeper. I like that. I like that. Carlos, good.
Wait, who has a hat trick?
No, play, bro. Please strike.
No one has a hat trick right now?
No? All right, give us the.
He said,
Yeah, get him
Hold
on.
on.
Good.
Get him
A
on!
lot of time left.
Hey, Ferris, you hold it.
Hey, I'm not going to say anything that could be held against me in a court of law. But there was this one time.
We're definitely above double digits.
Well, this thing better be recording too, bro.
I think it is because we had an Axon camera that the troopers wore that we used to wear at the DMV.
Bro?
Yeah, it was a huge ass.
Bigger than this
Iron
one?
Man, bro. It would sit there like that.
It was bigger
Yeah,
than this
it's
one.
lighting up, so it looks legit like it's on. We'll find out. Did you put your crotch on anybody today? Or you up in the air?
I hope not. I don't remember.
That's not a camera on the ground, is it?
No, it's right here.
What a goal. That's amazing.
Top left.
Wait, who? Who went there? Someone said something?
Bro, both zip. It's embarrassing, bro. I would never play in the league again.
At least they're out here.
No, bro, I feel like their keeper, like, he's had a couple saves. It's just...
This is the defense, bro.
The defenders are cones, yeah.
They were like us the other day when we came back, though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
They were basically, he's good.
See, it's like he's... Bro, nice.
It's out, but.
That's cool.
Go see ball.
All right, I'm getting my red card with like the last minute.
Rashid!
More.
Osmani, look at Rashid. Look at Rashid.
That's how I get my red card.
Who?
You're out here.
That would be
Good ball,
That's a
man.
lame way to get a red.
I
You
don't
gotta
know.
like 2-foot somebody.
Oh no! Like a drop kick.
Yeah.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot! Shoot!
He had a shot, but that's kind of too far, Loki.
Ronaldo would
I
have
mean, we're winning. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Take a chance, yeah, we're winning.
Play like Ronaldo in 2008.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
They're just toying right now.
Yeah.
Ooh, good fake.
Hey, good step.
There's two
No,
defenders.
no, watch your
What
left.
are you gonna do, bro?
Yeah, watch your left. Yeah. Yeah, good, Osmani. Good.
money.
Let's do that, Osmani. Watch the guy low in the middle.
Yes, Ajay, yes.
All right, yeah.
Back.
Oh, there go Hansi Flick Army.
That's out.
No, that cone.
Just play.
No, that cone was messed up. Technically. Oh.
Yes, Rashid. Nice.
Yeah, I got you.
That's in.
Hey!
Hey.
Nice, still going.
We're good.
Oh my, Raymondo, nice.
Go on. Let's go.
You got it.
All
Go. Go!
Oh yeah! That was amazing. 99% passion.
Yeah, he definitely got to be in our, you know?
Owner. Let's go, Carlos attack. Bro, this is FIFA. We're playing like FIFA stuff. It's one of the really good FIFA.
Playing FIFA tonight.
It's like when you're mad at somebody and just.
Rasheed middle.
Yeah.
When you mad at your team loses.
Yeah.
You out? Hey, keeper. Where's the keeper?
Yeah, he's playing.
Oh, hey. He's playing. I got it. The window. You're good, room.
Who's in? Oh, yeah, JP.
You're out, Sajat?
Mama gotta go in, bro.
You're out? Yeah, let me get a hat trick then. I just need one more. One goal and I'm out the rest of the game.
Need one more. Oh yeah, let's see Carlos. I ain't never seen him play up top. Woo!
Shoot it.
Bro, this game solidifies our strength going into playoffs. I ain't gonna lie. Good pass. But if Carlos scores, bro, that's crazy, bro. Keeper on keeper.
For Carlos.
I got you.
No, we need Carlos to score, bro. Keeper on keeper.
Well, he said he's probably only gonna play like 2 minutes.
Oh, okay. Oh, makes sense then.
Shoot. Oh, goal.
Get up, bro. Oh. Carlos! Carlitos!
Oh, you do that again. I didn't get it on camera, bro. Never mind. Lock in. They're attacking.
They're coming up. How's money behind you?
We're gonna switch.
Now just money. No, he's not getting to that.
I get it.
There you go, JP.
All good. Ball still in. Ball still in. There you go.
Play.
No, that's not us. That's not us.
Other field. Look at switch.
What happened?
You ready there?
What happened?
I think he called the foul.
I think it was handball. He touched it. I need one more to get a hat trick.
It's all good. Too late.
Yeah, I didn't want to be. I let you and Moma. Yeah, I got like 6 assists this game, bro. 7.
I got like 6 assists.
No, you don't, bro. I assist the Moma once.
Who got more assists?
We can get to 20, bro.
Definitely me, bro. There's no way.
We're going to have to rewatch that.
Oh my God! Come on, Carlos.
Carlitos!
Most all the goals came from me.
Ali, bro, why you laying on?
What are you even talking about?
I don't know.
Most of the goals came from me. So I got the most assists.
Yeah, no. We don't do that cocky stuff.
Easy stuff. Yeah, gotta be humble, right?
Baby, wait, watch out.
Yeah, for right now. Until Carlos comes out.
Come on, Carlos. Carlos, first is all like.
Yeah, you want to put a $5 bet?
Not
ID
enough.
price?
Need more.
I say ID tears up a little bit.
I was saying that the whole time, bro.
No, but I'll put 5 on it. You will. Addy, you gotta
Your fault. You're dead.
You gotta show your flair, bro.
You got Carlos.
You got Carlos.
Oi!
What a ball. Woo! Hey. That's good chemistry right there.
Let Carlos get a goal.
Oh. Adi.
Oh, let me sub it out. Let me sub Carlos out.
Now let me sub out Carlos.
Carlos!
Barely play.
Come on, 1. He did. He said go for it. JP. I did.
Got one far right.
Hi. I got it. Good game, bro.
Good game, buddy.
Good game. I tried. Momal. Good stuff, bro.
Good game, bro.
No, you wasn't. You said. Oh my God.
Marcus play out or because Rashid leaving? Yeah. Action?
Again, bro.
Excellent.
I do all that and I messed the rock.
Okay. Hey, get on his ass too.
He's been doing this since a youngin' though, so they don't even know. Dembele won the Ballon d'Or. He don't know how to juggle.
What do you mean?
Most definitely knows how to
No,
juggle.
he doesn't. He's seen it.
Yeah, I've seen it, but I've seen it one time.
That was like Barca day, right?
Yeah. He's like doing this like, yeah, let me see.
When was that, 2018? No, it wasn't, bro.
Like that.
Alright, let me watch this.
Fours.
That's my whole day today.
Yeah, I know.
Ah, it's hell.
Andrew got some words?
What? Hey, come on this line. Make a line here.
Oh yeah, he could.
Like one more.
Who did what? Oh, next, yeah.
In person,
Yeah.
Good idea. Still join the roster with them. All right.
Yeah, I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link, bro.
Who's taking the picture? We're waiting for Rashid, the GOAT.
We don't gotta do this. Shall do it. He's gonna go through. He's gonna go through.
What's going on?
Like straight
We
line.
gotta get closer. Yeah, I'm gonna slap your ass.
Hey, you're 40, bro.
That's why it's acceptable.
It's acceptable at my age.
Yeah, somebody got him good.
Yeah, I heard that.
It wasn't me, I promise.
What's up, Rashid?
Hey, I'll get you
Try to see
that.
that
I'll get you my buddy's number.
Yeah, thank
I'll
you.
let you know.
If we make it to the final, which we will, you gotta come back,
Yeah,
bro.
find out.
We got you, bro.
I miss you on Go FC. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I miss the
goats.
This is my last game. Joining the girls' league
Yeah, you curled it.
next season. I didn't want to.
We're not doing the same.
I didn't want to ruin his vote.
We don't care about it.
I don't want to ruin his vote.
Put him on the roster. Yeah.
All right, Carlos.
Hey, appreciate you, Carlos. Raimundo's going with me to the girls' league.
Oh. He said what?
What's up? Oh yeah. Shit.
First.
Hey man, let's go. First off, we gotta congratulate our boy. He's moving on to bigger, brighter things.
Yes, sir.
Heal everybody, or something. I don't know. He's gonna do something.
A lot of healing, yeah.
A lot of healing.
You gotta win it for him.
Wish him the best.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure, guys. Let's go, Don't win it for me.
We'll do it for you, Rashid.
Thanks, guys.
So look, we close out the regular season,
I still want
5-1 and 1, right?
Yeah,
Ship it out to you.
That's okay. Hey, I get starting tomorrow.
That's your time, bro.
It's his moment. It's his stage.
Sammy
Fire
can another Sammy.
You'll have it.
It's like $200.
Anything you gotta say before you leave? Go see.
Anything, bro. It could be anything.
You did your best.
I love this team. We're going to go win it all.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Let's go.
I told myself I wasn't going to cry.
What?
Trophy cake.
I said a cake. No face cake. No.
Also, they won first place.
Yeah, they're
I thought about it.
Ah, damn, that's hot, bro. The camera's hot.
Don't know yet.
You done? Or you still want to record?
No, I'm done, bro.
Ain't a lot of Sammy.
Good job, Phillips.
Yeah, man. Push it. Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah. Depending on this game.
Depending on how this
I'm gonna turn it off.
No, keep it on.
Keep it on. Oh yeah. Ferris. Are you staying to watch Curtis NFC's game or no?
Again, yeah.
I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. We want to help them, but we can't.
Yeah. Oh, that is true.
Good stuff, guys. Good shit.
I need this team to beat that.
First place plays fourth.
I need that balance.
You know what I mean? Hey, be safe, man.
See you, receive. Take care. Huh? Yeah, that's mine. You can drink some, bro.
Yeah,
Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go.
Yeah. You gonna cry now? You
Because this guy, bro.
You gonna cry?
it wasn't caught on
You didn't set him up good enough, bro.
Set him up first. Good. What are you talking about? It's a back.
Hey,
Set him up
that was
good.
amazing. I don't even know what the score is, bro. It's like
I'm playing
Yo.
in front of the goal.
Hey, I want your guys' opinion. So, should I put
fans.
No, chill. Okay. Alright, we're cutting that out. Should I put both footages in the same video like this and that, or should I make a separate body cam video and a separate
Oh. No, you gotta mix it.
mix it, bro? It's gonna,
It might be some editing. Bro.
oh yeah, it's gonna take a minute,
That's
bro.
gonna be edited.
It's gonna take a minute.
You gotta mix it. And you gotta put me in there scoring.
Like 2 months?
Yeah, I'll use AI.
Yeah, what is a minute?
No, you did good. I'm just playing.
What is a minute, bro?
Huh?
Like 2 weeks, 3 weeks,
Oh,
4 weeks?
Hey, that's
probably a
big
week.
edit. That's a big edit.
I don't know. As long as that's before next Wednesday.
Are you really
Next
gonna
game.
mix that body cam in?
Probably not. I'll just do one separate body cam video.
I was like, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
they don't have their full team yet.
The highlights, the edits, the everything out. I could. I'll see. I'll see.
This is
Is that Ferris? Is that yeah.
by how much? He was on.
Oh, it was 9-4. 9-4. Yeah, but it was supposed to be like 7-5, and the ref wasn't good.
Oh, you weren't here. We got screwed. The ref called like 3 PKs on us for no reason. Like some stupid shit.
Like some stupid calls. Yeah. So it would have ended 7-5 if we didn't get robbed instead of 9-4.
You
So
never know,
that a
because
shitty
that
ass ref.
changed a lot of it because we were up at 1.5.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I think that was them.
I know they change it every time.
Yeah, I think they probably went to college.
Alright. We ending it here. Let's go.
I won't be one to, but you can't risk it, bro.
Yeah, I know. Probably his parents or someone. You say you didn't speak to him in years, bro. Huh? Not a cat, bro. I'm talking about Cadillac.
Man, I didn't get a red.